Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you had a great week last week and a great trading week as well, as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. So for this week, in this video, I'll be talking about my gold analysis and my Euro USD analysis. And in another video, I will give my GBP USD analysis and GBP JPY analysis. So, starting off in this video, I'll be talking about gold, and we're starting off from the weekly time frame. And as you can see from the weekly time frame, price has broken out of this trend line towards the upside, and now price is coming back down to retest the trend line, as well as this support level over here, which is the 4-hour support level, and the level in which price bounced off is the 4-hour resistance level. And as you can also see, price is about to complete this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and this will be completed when price gets to the 1910 level. Um, Looking at the daily time frame, we can see clearly the inverse head and shoulder pattern, and we can see that price got to this resistance level here and formed a double top pattern before breaking out of this ascending channel to the downside, and now price is heading back towards this support level as well as trend line. And what I'm expecting in the coming week is for price to get to this level and then bounce off to the upside to complete this move, and this will give us about 800 pips. um Also, we should know that there's a possibility that price could break below this trend line and just continue all the way to the downside, meaning that this breakout here would just be like a false breakout and then continuation to the downside. um Now if we go to the 4 hourly time frame where we normally take our entry, as a swing trader, normally I wouldn't take this sell trade to the downside. Even though price has broken out of this channel, I would wait because I'm expecting a significant reaction at this level here, the 1830 level, where I expect price to bounce to the upside. So I'll wait, and price move may give us something like this, a retest back here, and then further move to the downside. Then price reacting to this level, giving us a buy signal to the top. Okay, and you could easily have predicted this move actually, because when you see the way price was moving, forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, then price failed to break this previous high here and rather formed a higher a lower high, and now a lower low. So this lower low could end here, or it could just go all the way down here before bouncing to the top. So if it ends here, then I'm expecting price to maybe retrace a little bit, forming a lower high, and then down to this level here before we look for our buy opportunities. So when price gets here, do not buy immediately, rather wait for price candlestick or the 4-hour candlestick to close and form a bullish reversal. So either a bullish pin by both candles that I look out for. You can also have like the morning star as well. And once price gives us that candlestick formation around this area, then we'll be looking to sell. If we don't see those candlesticks, then I wouldn't advise you to sell. I'd advise you to wait, because there could be a break to the downside, and if you buy immediately, that could take you out in before price makes that up move. So this is what I'm looking at for gold this coming week. I'm expecting price to get down to the 1830 level, which is a very significant area, and I'm expecting price to react there. And the reaction most likely would be a bounce to the upside, a bullish run of about 800 pips. And if for a chance this doesn't happen and breaks below this level, then we'll be looking for our sell opportunities when price gets back to retest this area. And if price gives us a bearish reversal pattern, then we'll be looking to sell to the downside. But if price doesn't give us a bearish reversal pattern over here and bounces up and continues to the upside, then it will mean that this will just be fake out and we'll just take our trades to the upside. So, like I said, this is what we're looking for in the upcoming week for gold. My bias is mostly bullish, and I hope you guys will be able to capitalize on it. You just have to be very patient and always remember to have a very good risk management and always apply a stop loss as well. And next, I'll be talking about Euro USD. So for Euro USD, again, we'll be looking at it from the weekly time frame, and from the weekly time frame, we'll move down to the daily time frame, and then the 4 hourly time frame, where we normally take our entry opportunity. Okay, so from the weekly time frame, we can see that price has been strongly bearish. When price got here, failed to break this previous high here and started its bearish run, forming lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, and now price has gone to lower low, and I'm expecting price to get down to this level over here, which is around the 1.18 level, okay, or the 1.12 level rather, and expecting to see a significant price reaction around that area. So if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that price got here, bounced off this trend line from this bullish and bearish engulfing candle and continued this run to the downside. And from this trade, from my last week analysis, when price got to this level, I was expecting either a bounce back here to test this level here before making a down run, or I was expecting price to break it and continue all the way to the downside, and which is what has happened now. Um, so price broke this support level down and closed here, which is why I took my entry on the 4 hour time frame, and I'm about 100 pips in profit. I'm expecting price to get towards 180 pips down to this level over here. Now, and if we look at the 4 hourly time frame where we take our entry, what I am expecting is price to get down to this level here. Then we'll be expecting a price reaction around the 1.12 level, um, which is a very significant area. So once price gets here, two things can happen: either a break of this level to continue its bearish run, a retest, and continue to the downside. Then we'll be looking to take more sell opportunities. Note that there may not always be a retest, but a retest is a good thing to look out for. If price breaks a structure strongly, just like it did over here with this strong bearish move, they probably wouldn't, they'll be less likely a retest, and which is what happened. Price broke it and just continued strongly to the downside. Also, on that possibility is when price gets there, it forms a bullish reversal pattern, which I've mentioned earlier, all the way to the upside, and could get maybe to this level here, the 1.14 level, before making a reversal and continuing its bearish run. So this up move here could just be a retracement, and then this down move is more or less a continuation. So whether or not wait for a retracement will depend on what sort of candle forms here um this week, okay, or this retracement could even get all the way to this level here. All right, and if price just give us a bullish reversal pattern down at that support level here, what we'll be doing is looking to take my trade all the way to this area here, which coincides with this trend line. This will give us about 350 pips. I'm looking to put our stop loss at around 100 pips. Okay, and if price does do that and get to this level, then this area here will now be our significant area that we're looking out for. That a break of the trend line to the upside, or a bounce off it back down to continue its bearish run. But if there is an up move in the market this coming week, it will more or less be a retracement move. You can capitalize on it if you want to, but if you're not confident enough, then you can leave it and wait for a bearish signal And on the other hand, if price breaks this support level to the downside, then we'll be looking to take our sell opportunities to the next significant area. All right. So this is basically my bias for Euro USD. I'm expecting price to get to the 1.12 level. And once price does that, then we'll be looking to see how price reacts to that area. If it gives us a bearish continuation pattern, or if it gives us a bullish reversal pattern, then we'll take our trades based on that. Thank you very much for watching the video. If it has been helpful, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe for more analysis video. And I wish you all the best this coming week, and see you in the next analysis video. Peace.